Is Cointiply legit, or is it another website that promises free crypto but doesn't actually pay? In this video, we'll look at how Cointiply works, how you can earn, how withdrawals work, and whether it's worth trying in 2026. Cointiply is a crypto rewards platform that has been operating since 2018. The concept is simple. You complete different online activities, earn Cointiply coins, and then exchange those coins for cryptocurrency. You don't need to deposit money to get started. Cointiply allows users to earn through surveys, offer walls, app installations, games, videos, advertisements, and different daily bonuses. There are also features like the daily wheel, mystery boxes, and daily streaks that can provide additional coins. The amount you can earn depends on the activities available to your account and your location, so not every user will see the same offers. Now let's talk about the coins. Cointiply uses its own internal reward currency. 10,000 coins is worth approximately $1 inside the platform. So 50,000 coins represents about $5. However, coins aren't cryptocurrency themselves. They're simply the balance you accumulate before converting it into crypto when you withdraw. Cointiply currently allows withdrawals in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Dash, and Litecoin. The minimum withdrawal depends on the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin currently requires at least 50,000 coins, while Dogecoin, Dash, and Litecoin have a 30,000 coin minimum. Cointiply says it doesn't charge a withdrawal fee and covers the blockchain transaction fees. Most withdrawals are processed within 24 to 72 hours, although the final arrival time can depend on the cryptocurrency network. There is also an important security requirement to know about. Cointiply may ask some users to complete additional verification before processing a withdrawal. Depending on the situation, this can include phone verification, a selfie, an ID document, or an identity check. So if you're asked to verify your identity, that doesn't automatically mean something is wrong. It's part of the platform's stated security process. Now, how much can you realistically make? This is where you should keep your expectations realistic. Cointiply isn't designed to replace a full-time job. Your earnings depend on your location, the number of surveys and offers available, and how much time you're willing to spend. Some activities can pay reasonably well, while others may require a lot of time for a small reward. So always check the reward before starting an offer. One interesting feature is that Cointiply also offers interest on eligible coin balances. The platform currently advertises 5% annual interest on qualifying balances above 35,000 coins when the required conditions are met. However, always check the current rules before relying on this feature. So, is Cointiply legit or a scam? My verdict is legit. Cointiply is an established crypto rewards platform with real earning methods and a functioning cryptocurrency withdrawal system. However, it's not free money, and it isn't a guaranteed source of income. You'll need to spend time completing surveys, offers, games, or other activities, and your earning potential will vary. If you want to try it, start for free, compare the reward with the time required, and don't spend money on offers unless you understand exactly what you're getting. Overall, Cointiply can be worth trying if you're interested in earning small amounts of cryptocurrency online. Just treat it as a side income opportunity, not a way to get rich quickly.